Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to fix recycle bin icon disappears in Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. If recycle bin is missing on your Windows 11 desktop, then you can simply follow this troubleshooting method to fix it. First of all, make sure recycle bin is added to the desktop. For that, open Settings application, click on Personalization option. Now click on Themes option, scroll down, under Related Settings, you will find Desktop Icon Settings. Simply click on this arrow icon. Now here under Desktop Icon section, simply select Recycle Bin, then click on Apply, then click on OK. This will add Recycle Bin icon to the desktop. However, here you can see here I don't have the Recycle Bin icon. After enabling Desktop Icon for Recycle Bin, simply right click on Desktop, here click on View, now here click on Show Desktop Icons. This will show all the hidden desktop icons on your Windows 11. So here you can see here we have the Recycle Bin. However, if you are still not able to fix the issue, then you can simply open Command Prompt. For that, here on the search option, search for CMD, right click on it and open it as Administrator. And here simply run SFC scan. Simply type SFC space / scan now. Then hit enter key. And wait for the scan process to complete. After that, simply restart your system. For that, click on Start button, click on Power icon and here click on Restart. Now you should get Recycle Bin icon on your Windows 11 desktop. So that's it. This is how you can fix Recycle Bin icon disappears in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.